The SLSHOP are Europe's largest SL specialist. We sell cars, we service them, we restore them, we upgrade them, we sell parts and we hire them. An SLSHOP health check is essentially a day-long investigation, inspection and consultation with a customer and their car, be it a 113, a 107 or a 129 SL. The start of the process is obviously receiving the vehicle in and meeting the customer for the first time. From there, the vehicle is then taken through to the workshops where it's put on a dedicated ramp with our most experienced technician. This technician spends most of his time doing health checks. As part of that check, the vehicle is also road tested, and then the output is an 8-page report which we then sit down with each customer and go through. The unique aspect of an SLSHOP health check is we spend a considerable amount of time understanding the customer as well as the car. It's really important that we understand how long that car has been owned by the customer, what their objective is for the car. Do they want to take it to another level of condition? Do they need to make it more mechanically reliable? Will they use it daily, weekly? Will they take it abroad on a trip or a tour? And what really is their brief? That's the key, getting to understand what the customer's brief is. The type of customer who would benefit from a health check might be somebody that's just acquired a car. They may have owned the car for a number of years, but they're interested in the condition of the car in its current state. They may have inherited a car, or they may have a large collection of cars, and this may be a vehicle that they want to know a little bit more about. Clearly these cars have appreciated quite considerably in recent times, and there's nothing to suggest that that won't continue. But it's really important that the right level of work is done on the right car, whether that's preventative or taking the car to another level. It's very easy to spend the wrong kind of money in the wrong area of the car. It's important that we understand the customer's objective for that car and help them, if they are going to invest in the right way. With our years of experience, combined with the fact that we own these cars ourselves, it really helps us partner with each and every customer. And the outcome might just be some preventative maintenance, or the customer may want a full concourse restoration, but we're able to deliver anything in between those two goals. We believe our service is unique. Nobody else has the depth of knowledge, the understanding and the passion to help a customer really achieve the SL of their dreams.